This is the first thing I try to get a decent S sound. I simply prompt the child to bite down, grin, and say an S sound, like this. S, 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 s. In the majority of cases, this may be all that is needed to get an S on track. Biting down while saying an S sound will prevent the tongue of any interdental clients from popping out. The grin will help pull the tongue back and keep it from touching the front of the mouth. Once again, it looks like this. S, 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 s. It may not sound perfect at first, but if you are able to work with it, you're quite often able to turn this into a decent sounding S.